from here now. The aching is not.
Well, she touched it. Do you feel pain?
I feel, but the aching will just come.
Okay, it comes and goes.
It will come
It's fine.
and
It's fine. No wahala. It's fine. It's fine. You can get up, please.
I can get up.
Yes. I'm done. Come to that question again. 10 months, they will be. At one handle, no handle there. No reactor. I just define where the pain. This way the pain. No, just relieve, relax. I know the chuka. I just touch and something. Figures, me and no refine.
Toilet.
Yeah.
This is broad. Because they're here. You need
When
me.
you go to toilets, so you see blood in your stool.
Yeah, because they hit me with boots.
Okay.
Then here particularly, they hit me several times and I always, the place is always taking me like I won't be able to control myself. Like, it will just come like, I don't know, sharpen and draw my eye like this. Everything just making me as if the head wants to break.
Okay. What else?
I feel it every time. Every time.
Okay. What else?
Then my eyes. I don't see sun.
So how long are you been coughing the blood?
Yes. 5 days.
Like 5 days.
No, 5 days. No, it was 5 days. When I got to the party, the phone got took me to the party.
So how long have you been seeing coughing blood?
It's over a month. Close to 2 months. Immediately I get to that place to the cell.
Okay.
5 days after, I was seriously sick and they rushed me.
You know, so you started coughing.
Yeah.
Like 5 days after.
Yeah.
Okay, 5 days after.
They took him to hospital in Party. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, the body stool, how long has it been? This stool, you sick more in your stool, how long have you been sick more in your stool?
In Benino and January.
That time is every time.
Okay, when did you start seeing the